We cannot let him go on like this. He'll destroy everything we've worked for.
Whether this man is a sinner or not, I don't know. All I know is that I was blind, but now I can see.
Why didn't you obey your orders and arrest him?
Because no one ever spoke the way this man does.
What charges are you bringing against this man?
He's a blasphemer and a criminal. Crucify him.
Why? What evil has this man committed?
Crucify him.
Give them what they want. A crown of thorns for the King of the Jews.
Stretch him out.
How can he save others when he can't even save himself?
Are you not the Christ? Save yourself and us.
Please, God, don't take my son, please.
He's dead. Get him down.
Let me take the body. Please, he needs a proper burial.
He wasn't the savior we thought he was.
What now? It's over.